to free one of their own from criminal charges against them. And the High Court in Mombasa issued orders to stop the prosecution of Mombasa Principal Magistrate Edgar Kagoni following an application filed by the Kenya Judges and Magistrates Association. But he may have to spend the night in custody after the Chief Magistrate at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, where the Mombasa Magistrate was arraigned earlier today, declined to effect the High Court order as it had not been signed. Kenneth Muredi begins or continue with our broadcast.
The lawyers who flocked the Mombasa High Court had been charged by an association of judges to secure the freedom of one of their own, facing criminal charges after a consignment of heroin valued at 30 million shillings and taken as a court exhibit disappeared under his watch. Their main mission to ensure Mombasa Principal Magistrate Edgar Kagoni, who was already in the docks in Nairobi, does not take plea. The lawyers, representing the Kenya Magistrates and Judges Association, told the High Court in Mombasa that the changes were a threat to the liberty of one of their members, a principal magistrate serving in the Mombasa law courts. Kagoni was arrested and presented at the Jomo Kenyatta law courts in Nairobi Monday morning after concerns were raised that charging him in Mombasa will jeopardize the case and hand him what amounts to a get-out-of-jail-free card, even as the weight of the allegations against him hung above him like a sword of Damocles. He, however, did not take plea. Justice Reuben Nyakundi, sitting at the High Court in Mombasa, issued orders barring his case from taking off, following the application filed by his lawyers and the Kenya Judges and Magistrates Association filed under a certificate of urgency. Justice Nyakundi further directed that he be released on a 100,000 shillings bond with a surety of a similar amount or an alternative of a 20,000 shillings cash bail wherever he is being held. However, their failure to present the original orders signed in Mombasa may have complicated the magistrate's release, and now he has to spend the night in custody. The DPP said Kagoni will be charged with the offense of obstruction to defeat justice and aiding the commission of an offense. The DPP also directed that 3 judicial officers be charged with stealing by a person in public service. The case resumes Tuesday morning. Kennedy Muredi,